So let's do a quick pipeline health assessment. 3 questions for you. Number 1, can you define your ideal client in 30 seconds or less? Can you describe them in such a way to me that if I see them at a networking function, I'll recognize them like that? Question number 2, have you defined the conversational pathway from suspect to ideal prospect to ideal client? There are key points in that conversational pathway that will help you secure the sale and make sure you're bringing the right people on board and then moving them into that client category to help you win the business. Third question I have for you is, can you pre-qualify an ideal prospect in 3 or fewer questions? I'll give you 3. Can you, in 3 questions, pre-qualify your ideal prospects? If you answered yes to all 3 of those, then again, you're doing a fantastic job. If some of those are a little variable or you're not 100% sure, then I encourage you to attend our Ideal Client Workshop, where you will learn how to build out those 3 processes. You'll walk away with specific takeaways to your business and your ideal client description that help you immediately build ideal client relationships and start to fill your hopper, fill your pipeline with ideal prospects.